I'm gonna like when you see them try out for Jahshii, you see me on the I'm gonna like when them do to Rygin. When I grew up, I never see man deal with artists them way there, you see me.
So if you're a subscriber, what go on? So in this one, we'll talk about Chronicler and show support to Jahshii and Rygin King. Plus we also have Malie I get battle off a stage. Yeah man, the entertainer couldn't even perform in peace. So I know say you know how to get into it. Remember subscribe to 4K Shala Energy and I could jump right into it.
Oh no, catch a rocket with the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any on the rocket.
So we'll kick off the review with Chronicler. I show support to Rygin King and Jahshii. Yeah man, I don't know say couple days ago they went after Jahshii, you see me? On his birthday for dash him away. Plus Rygin King went through the same situation, you see me? But I think Rygin King won, you could have said it was really close. Yeah man, they really closer than Jahshii won, you see me? I don't know. But that was a year where I know so Rygin King will never forget. And right now the entertainer still a fight to get back on his feet from what happened to him, you see me? So as I say, big up to Chronicler for doing something like this. I don't know. In a music game, I have to show each other respect and support in times like these, you see me? Yeah man, so pray this.
I'm gonna like when you see them try out for Jahshii, you see me on the I'm gonna like when them do to Rygin. When I grew up, I never see man deal with artists them way there, you see me and say the thing set away now, so I just what we have to do, you see this time? I'm missing.
Yo, I swear, I don't know. The man them just quick for dash with the artist them, you see me? Them quick for dash with the artist them. And at the same artist them would have sit down at them yard and listen to and mates to and say, yo, that you with your body, you know? You see me? But at the end of the day, as an entertainer, you can't make a man them catch a lacking. You can't make a man them catch up. You even have protection to protect yourself. You see me? So anywhere I go, you have to have is either a bodyguard or have firearm power, you see me? I tell you. Because the man them not around for dash with the artist them. Them not blink twice. From them see you, them want dash away. I tell you. You see me? They don't look good at all. And as I say, big up to Chronicler for doing something like this. And as for the artists, them wanna just stay safe out there, you see me? Because as Cartel say already, the streets not love nobody. You see me? Yeah man, and I even the same fans them, that's the worst part of your subscriber. It can be the same fans them who sit down and listen to the music, you know. And them same one soon one away and just want to dash in away, you know. You see me? But on the other hand, some of them reasons, you know. You see me? But as I can say, just stay safe out there. To the artists them, just stay safe out there. The streets don't love nobody. Remember I tell you now. So if you're a subscriber, Malie did a perform at, or should I say was performing at Teen Feety. I don't know if I said that right. But yeah man, the entertainer did perform and some buckle start feeling after the entertainer out of the crowd. Yeah man, the entertainer after your sight him couldn't even perform for him. Fans them who came there to see him. Yo, it don't look good at all. It really don't look good at all. So I'm gonna show you the video and let me know what you think about it. As you can see, Malie I get backlash at the stage. Yo, it don't look good. You see me? And that's why enough artists don't perform certain places. You see me? That's why enough artists don't go certain places to say, yo, make them perform, because this is completely disrespecting the artist. And yo, I'd even sting much less. This I'd even sting. And it's alleged that a Pablo YG friend them or a Pablo YG, you see me? Place. So that's why them fling back after Malie. But at the end of the day, the worst thing is that Pablo YG could even have nothing to do with it. You see me? Pablo YG could even have nothing to do with it. And yet he name a call, say, yo, a true a theme place or a true a theme people them. You see me? But this is completely disrespecting the artist. And at the end of the day, Malie did still try to perform for his fans. You see me? Yeah man, it don't look good at all. So I'm going to read some comments I'm not gonna see what some people are saying, see me? So spirit walk on. So this comment says, Pablo a artist, a boy there, if you know himself and remember what them do because what goes around comes back around. Next comment says, bad mind cause all of this. From Wasteman Pablo YG, we can't find a next hit. And when them forward upon my ground, them silent as a lamb. I think he mean lamb. But the next and last comment says, so no matter are this artist, you no perform back out here so. Jamaican people are, you see me? So the last comment basically, me know enough artists have followed this last comment because things like them here, we make some artists stop perform out here and start perform for a different country and a different crowd. You see me? Because of the disrespect what them get from them own people. So things like them here can make the artists them stop perform a yard and start perform abroad. You get what I say? And as me say, it's alleged that a Pablo YG people them do it. And as me say, Pablo YG Gully Diva have nothing to do with this, but Pablo YG name a call. But in the idea, this can't stop Malie because Malie are the well suffer in a dancehall. You see me? Everybody are bounce to Malie song right now. Malie basically dep on a flow, or should I say, Malie have a momentum when I roll with right now. So you see, every song when Malie drop right now, it'll go viral. You see me? So Malie now go, me not think Malie I go make this evil phase him. He might just continue do him have to do and not watch no face by it. You see me? It's very disrespectful from the people them. And to be honest, me think I always think them something but I guess I was wrong. So big up to Malie same way. And these people where go stage show, them need to have some decency about themselves. You can't go stage show and try to disrespect the artist them like that because if you forgot like one artist them and them spots here, you fling the buckle, you're going in trouble. You can get sued for them something there. You see me? The artist can send him entourage upon you and yo, things can get ugly from there so. So some people, if you have some decency about themselves and if you have to go to a party, if you do that, brother, it makes sense to just stay home. So be a subscriber, let me know what you think about any of the topic that I touch upon. You see me?